increases productivity, improves morale, and grows profits. Yet for something so positive, employee safety is a pain in the neck. It's expensive and involves bringing in safety consultants or sending employees to outside training seminars. Worse of all, you have to repeat this training every year. To give you some relief, we have developed a series of do-it-yourself training programs. Train and certify your employees in 3 simple steps. Best of all, these programs are compliant with government safety regulations and can be used year after year to train and retrain your employees. Available programs include forklift certification, fall protection, confined spaces, lockout tagout, and dozens more. Call 877-201-8923. Order today.